Jumbo everybody, in today's video I'm going to share with you what I eat in a typical day, and I'm titling this either travel edition or vacation edition, I haven't decided, and it's because we are traveling right now. But the idea is I eat this way whether I'm at home or whether I'm on the road. 99% of the time we are staying in a rental of some kind. Right now we are down at my in-laws condo, so you know, it's just like a typical condo where it has a full kitchen and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys my typical daily eating routine. Let's go check it out.
Starting with breakfast, I like to take some baby arugula and I heat it up in a pan. And while that is heating, I like to blend together 2 pastured eggs. I'm just getting them all whipped up, and this is going to kind of make an omelet kind of thing, sort of a scrambled eggs hybrid. I don't know. All I really care about is that the eggs get fully cooked. I don't really care what it looks like. So while they are cooking in the pan, you know, I just kind of stir it around, make sure they don't stick. And while they're doing their thing, I'm going to get my fruit. And in the morning, I like to have a little bit of fruit, mostly berries if I can swing it. So I have a little bit of organic blueberries, and I'm going to top that with some organic coconut. And then for my beverage of choice, I like to do a big glass of water with 1 drop of lemon vitality, good for immune system and all sorts of things. And there we go. That is breakfast. Top it with some pink sea salt. Bingo bango. All set. So then lunchtime, I'm going to do 2 tins of the Crown Prince smoked oysters. I love these things. They are so good. Super easy to travel with too. So what I do is I use the olive oil from the first tin, and then I drain the second tin. And then I just warm it in a pan. I like to use my fork and break them up a little bit. I do 2 because I'm making both lunch for myself and Mr. Simple Life. If it's just for me, I do 1 tin. So then I like to pour in as many greens as possible. So this is the Whole Foods mixed greens blend, and then literally I'm just warming it on the stove. I'm not cooking it because the oyster's already cooked. The greens, they just need warmed. And that's it. It's kind of like a stir fry almost, kind of. And then with that, I like to put a little bit of tomatoes with it and cut up an apple with it as well. And that is lunch. Again, big old glass of water. So then the pills that I take at lunchtime, I have Omega Gies, I have Epicor, and I have Detoxzyme, which is a digestive enzyme. So then going on to a snack in the later part of the afternoon, I have some more coconut and then 3 pieces of the 100% unsweetened dark chocolate. It's super bitter, but really good with the coconut, and then half a packet of Ninja Red. My husband has the other half. All right, so then going on to dinner. So I have sauteing here, browning up. I have some bison and then a whole bunch of vegetables, any vegetables I have in the freezer. And then my husband's making up some tostones there to have on the side. And that is dinner. I have some frozen cherries in the mug, and I have essential zymes 4 digestive enzymes to go with that. And that's my day.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy healthy eating. I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao.